Ever watch someone you love struggle with urinary discomfort, only to feel powerless, knowing there must be a better solution? Hey, Lily here. I'm in my early 20s, and this story is about my dad and how Prostavive helped him regain his comfort and confidence. If you're searching for a Prostavive review, wondering if this powder supplement is legit or just another overhyped product, I want to share our real, heartfelt experience. Let me take you back to how it began. My dad started waking up multiple times at night to urinate. His stream felt weak, his energy dipped, and everyday routines became tiring. He tried lifestyle tweaks and over the counter options, but nothing brought lasting comfort. He began to feel like his body was working against him. That's when I discovered Prostavive. At first, I was skeptical, but the more I learned, the more interested I became. It's not just saw palmetto, it's a powdered formula that mixes easily into water and blends botanical extracts, minerals, and adaptogens like fenugreek, ashwagandha, panax ginseng, zinc, and boron. It claims to support prostate health, boost blood flow, and even help stabilize hormones and energy levels in one go. So we decided to try it. Here's the thing, I'm not being paid to say this. This is our real, honest experience. Within just a few weeks, my dad noticed fewer nighttime trips and an improved consistency in his flow. He was sleeping better, waking less, and his daytime energy quietly returned. By the third month, he felt more vibrant, less distracted by discomfort, and even picked up hobbies again without hesitation. It felt like he had his life back. What stood out most was how the formula seems to work on multiple levels, not just managing symptoms, but supporting circulation and hormonal balance, thanks to ingredients shown to reduce inflammation and improve endothelial function. Look, Prostavive isn't a miracle cure. It won't replace medical advice or treatments. But for us, it became a reliable tool to regain quality of life and confidence without harsh prescription side effects. If you're considering supporting prostate health naturally, whether for yourself or someone you care about, here's what I recommend. Open the link in the description now and keep it open. Don't lose the name. It's called Prostavive. Most importantly, only buy from the official website to ensure you get the authentic powder formula and full guarantee. Counterfeits and diluted versions have circulated elsewhere. It also comes with a 180-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in trying it out. If you're serious about giving it a fair chance, I recommend starting with the 3 or 6 bottle option. That's what we chose. It gave the best value and enough time to feel real, lasting benefits. Thanks for listening to our Prostavive review. If you decide to try it, I'd love to hear how it helped you or someone you love feel like themselves again.